Hari Om. I, Girish Tere, welcome you for my presentation on yoga therapy for obesity. Obesity is basically a metabolic disorder, a condition where excess accumulation of fat occurs in body and it will lead to various health complications. It will give rise to many lifestyle diseases. That's why controlling of obesity is very important. It can be used using a simple screening tool like body mass index, and using BMI we can decide what is the class of obesity in patient. BMI is calculated as a person's weight in kilograms divided by square of height in meters. If BMI is between 18.5 to 25, it is healthy weight. But if BMI exceeds 25 up to 30, then person is said to be overweight. If BMI is greater than 30, then patient falls in obesity range, and there are different classes of obesity. For example, class 1 BMI 30 to 35, class 2 patients BMI is 35 to 40, and for class 3 BMI of greater than 40. So class 3 obesity is very dangerous and it is categorized as severe obesity. So we have to reduce obesity as soon as BMI exceeds 25. Raised BMI is a major risk factor for non-communicable diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, musculoskeletal disorders like osteoarthritis, highly disabling degenerative diseases of joints. Because of obesity there can be cancer, for example endometrial, breast, ovarian, prostate, liver, gallbladder, kidney, colon cancers will be there. Obesity is major contributor to mortality and morbidity. Let's understand a relationship between the risk factors of obesity. Depression and stress anxiety, these are two major risk factors. Because of depression, you will perform less physical activity. Depressed persons go on consuming more food, unhealthy diet, they go on consuming more alcohol, and all these things give rise to obesity. Stress or anxiety also makes person to consume more food, unhealthy diet, packed foods, excessive alcohol intake, and because of that obesity is increased. Because of obesity there will be cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, musculoskeletal disorders, cancer. That is why it is very important to cure obesity or prevent obesity. Various yoga therapy practices are recommended for prevention of obesity. We can use Shatakarma or cleansing practices for prevention of obesity. Agnisar, Udyan Bandh, Kapalbhati, Vaman Dauti, Laghu Shankha Prakshalan, full Shankha Prakshalan are recommended for fighting with obesity. One can perform sun salutation as sun gives us more energy. Sun salutation will increase energy in our body, and because of that there will be fat loss. We have to perform sun salutation as exercise. 32 Surya Namaskars in 8 minutes will be your target, should be your target. So try to perform more as possible as Surya Namaskar in fast pace as exercise. One has to perform various asanas in supine posture, prone posture, sitting posture, standing posture. Select asana in such a way that you perform forward bending, backward bending, lateral bending, twist. All these movements will give nice massage on the internal organs, and because of that their functioning will increase. This will help to maintain your metabolic order. Your metabolic will improve, and because of that fat will be removed from your body. You should go on performing shavasana as per your requirement. At least once in a day you should perform yoga nidra for 15 minutes. This will control your stress. Pranayam is also very important for reducing obesity. One has to perform Surya Bhedan Pranayam, that is right nostril breathing for 10 minutes. Because of Surya Bhedan Pranayam, cough imbalance will be removed from our body and energy will be increased in body. Surya Bhedan Pranayam is important for relief of anxiety, depression, mental illness, and because of that it is good for fat persons or obese person. Bhastrika Pranayam is also important for obese person. It gives us energy and power. It raises your metabolic function and burns fat faster. There are certain general practices for obese patients to be followed. Every person must perform brisk walking, jogging for 60 minutes. You must fix your lunch time and maximum 3 to 4 lunch times in a day. No munching between lunch. Drink more warm waters throughout day. Strong determination and willing power is necessary to fight with obesity. Obese person should not perform Shirsasana. Avoid excessive sleeps. Avoid junk foods, fast foods, bakery products, non-vegetarian food. This is not recommended for obese patients. So as a summary, yoga therapy is safe and effective treatment for obese person. Eating more wisely and increasing physical activity are key. As obesity gives rise to many lifestyle diseases, we must control obesity in particular time. For healthy life, everyone must try to maintain proper weight. All yogic practices like Shuddhi Kriyas, Asana, Pranayam, meditation, relaxation technique help to prevent obesity. These are some references I have used. Thank you.